Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 isn't reading the temperature properly, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises due to a faulty temperature connector, which can lead to incorrect cooking temperatures and ultimately ruin your recipes. If left unaddressed, it may cause further damage to the device or even make it unusable. To fix this issue, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement temperature connector. Begin by ensuring that your Thermomix is unplugged. To safely open the device, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the unit. Be careful not to strip the screws, as this could make reassembly difficult. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the back cover, taking care not to damage any connectors attached to it. Inside, locate the temperature connector, which is usually found near the base of the Thermomix. Pay attention to the wiring. If it appears frayed or damaged, that's likely the culprit. To extract the faulty connector, carefully disconnect the wires by gently pulling them out of their sockets. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the old connector, take your replacement and insert the wires into their respective sockets, ensuring a secure fit. Before reassembling the Thermomix, double-check that all wires are correctly connected and that there are no loose components nearby. Now, replace the back cover and secure it with the screws you removed earlier, applying just enough pressure to ensure a snug fit without over-tightening. Once everything is back together, plug in your Thermomix and turn it on to verify that the temperature readings are now accurate. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that your Thermomix is kept clean and free from any food debris that may interfere with its components. Regularly check the wiring for any signs of wear and tear, and handle the device with care during use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.